welcome back. Cooking with Rick and Rye, episode 5, right? Episode 5. Can you believe we got this far?
I can't believe that I even made it here today.
I can't believe it either. Rye was at a party last night and
At my house.
kind of went overboard.
Went overboard, a little dabbling in too much stuff. We're a little hungover, so we had to change our show today.
So we're going to do sauces, sexy sauces.
Next week.
Sexy sauces, Rye can't go near anything hot. So we're back to cold.
They're not allowing me to use the stove in my condition.
Knife, stove, nothing. So we did vinaigrettes last week. So now we're going to go, what do we call it? Die for dips and dressings. Good?
Die for dicks?
Dips.
Oh, dips. Okay.
All right. So we're doing dips. So I have lots of favorite dips. Green Goddess, good dressing, a good dip.
Green Goddess?
Green Goddess. Tetziki. Tetziki, fantastic. Everybody loves Tetziki.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you guys how to make Tetziki. And we're going to just go through yogurts and mayonnaises.
Alright, we got a lot of green shit.
Got a lot of green stuff.
Is that mint?
Mint.
Okay.
Coriander. Thyme parsley. Flat parsley. Garlic. Basil. All the good stuff, right? Are you hiding your eyes from last night?
I'm wondering if that'll help with the eyes.
Okay.
But I can't really see.
Okay, you need to see and don't cut yourself.
Okay.
Okay, let's have Tetziki.
Okay.
Tetziki, yogurt based.
You're missing some ingredients here.
I'm not missing anything. Oh, we're missing some ingredients. All right, I don't know where we're putting that in our dressings.
It'll fit in somewhere else.
All right. Make room for Rye's, what is this one? Poison skunk.
That's the one I always use. I like that vintage.
Okay, so yogurt base.
This fucking guy, he chopped off half his wing.
The fly in here?
Yeah.
Oh, just put him out of his misery, Rye.
He's a fucking Mexican jumping bean, man.
All right, one fly gone.
Okay.
I'm back. Okay.
Yes, a couple of these. Once we get going, this will pick me up.
All right, yogurt. I use yogurt in a lot of my dips. Good for you.
Just regular yogurt, or is it Greek yogurt?
No, Greek yogurt has no sugar in it. I like the regular yogurt. I like 6% MF. You know what MF stands for? Milk fat.
Oh, okay.
So we're close. We're almost on the same page. So I like 6%. It comes out a little bit thicker, and I like to strain it. The old school strainer is cheesecloth.
Yep.
Right? But I found when I was in cooking school, I found this great contraption. You guys might want to look at it online. I don't know who does it. There's no markings. So it basically has a strainer in it. It has a collector in it. You put it together. You put the lid on. Okay. So this has been in the fridge overnight, and you can see. So it's got a lot of water in it, and it's just a thick yogurt. So it looks like Greek yogurt. Hand me a bowl, Ryan.
So you're just pressing the juice out of it?
It presses itself. It falls down. So if I do this, you have a fantastic thick yogurt. Now, as a base for our Tetziki, we can make that as thick or as thin as we want.
Tzatziki?
Tetziki. Okay, what goes in Tetziki, right?
Garlic.
Garlic? Okay. Garlic here. Let's throw lots of garlic in there.
Yeah, you need lots of garlic.
And what do we add now?
Green stuff, I think.
Green stuff. So we're going to add
cucumbers.
So.
Wait. You got too much cucumber.
We need lots of cucumber. So I take cucumbers, and the easiest way for me to do it is I just put them in my little blender.
Do we have to air, like last time? Air circulate it?
No. We're not ever going to air circulate anything again. So, so we have our blended cucumber. Now, that doesn't matter because now I use my cheesecloth. So now what we want to do is just want to push it into the cheesecloth. And then you take this and you're going to squeeze. So you're going to squeeze just the raw cucumber juice out of here.
So you don't put the cucumber in it?
I don't put cucumber in it. I never put cucumber in mine.
Okay, so you want me to squeeze this?
No, we got enough. Let's see how thin it is right now.
But we need squeeze it. I want
squeeze lemons, right? I need 2 lemons.
Two whole lemons or 2 pieces?
Let's do 2 pieces right now.
Okay.
And then we need lots of salt. So I'll do the salt.
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna do my classic.
You do your.
Oh yeah, that's just. Oh yeah, just. Oh, squirter! Look at it, it's all over you.
Is that one or two? That's a lot of energy for one.
Oh yes.
So
squirter.
This is.
God damn it!
All right, right?
Yeah.
So if you look, this comes together really nicely with it being really thick. Now you can thin this out with a little bit of lemon juice. You ready to try it, Ryan?
Yeah.
And this always tastes better the next day, only because all the flavors then will combine.
Well, the garlic will just soak.
Exactly. So try that. You got some stuff to try it. See what you think.
Damn it!
You broke it, Ryan.
Should've got fucking ruffles.
Let's try this. Garlicky, salty. You won't get the really good flavor till tomorrow.
I think we need more cucumber. I can really taste the garlic.
All right, add some more cucumber. You love squeezing things, so. Okay, if you add way too much, it gets
turns
too,
green?
yeah, no, it turns thin. It turns really thin. So, as you can see, still nice consistency. And you put it in the fridge, leave it overnight, or leave it for a couple hours. But overnight, it's like chili. Always be better tomorrow. One down, Tetziki down, easy. You always said Tetziki was hard.
Is it tzatziki?
Tetziki.
Tzatziki. The white sauce.
The white sauce. Okay, so this we're gonna do green goddess.
Okay, so
Now.
I've never heard of green goddess.
Mayonnaise and anything green. So we're gonna add some flat parsley, some Italian parsley, some coriander. We'll add some basil.
Coriander, cilantro, right?
Yeah, cilantro, coriander is the seeds and the
Yes.
stem.
Yes.
So we're just gonna do cilantro, which is the outer leaves.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get going. So we
What's
have
this?
our mint.
You didn't mention mint.
We're gonna do mint on a different one.
Fuck, you fucked it up.
I didn't fuck it. I know what I'm doing. Yeah. So first let's go 3 garlic cloves. I'm gonna drink my wine while you do
So
this.
these are
right?
big garlic.
Yeah,
chunks,
these are
right?
fresh, right from the farm. Canadian garlic. Okay, don't.
Jordan for 3. Okay, now what?
All right, let's turn this on.
That's it? We're not gonna put on
We're gonna put everything in there.
the...
It's enough. Okay, throw 1, 2, 3. Parsley, parsley.
Uno, dos,
and
tres.
coriander.
All at once?
Yeah,
Everyone in the
you
pool?
can load it up.
Oh yeah. Look at it. See, I'm a fucking professional.
You are
Anyone
professional.
fucking can do this cooking shit.
Okay, hang on. Let's get this down a bit.
What's that shit when you go to those shawarma places? And they put the green stuff with the fucking garlic and stuff.
I don't know. I don't eat shawarma. Do half of that one. Half of that, because I want to add some basil. Okay,
Mhm.
good. That's good. And add that basil.
All of it?
Yeah. And right, throw me in some lemon juice.
So I need to do another squeezing?
Yep. You can add some different green.
Smell
Smells great. You know what, Rye?
Yeah.
I'll do one of you. All right.
it. Now we're on the same page. See, I knew this ingredient would come in handy.
All right. So let's do a couple of lemons right now.
You want a couple?
Yeah, let's do a couple. Pickle?
I'm hungry today. I haven't eaten.
Have you eaten at all?
Last night, I don't even remember when I went to bed. But I did cook the leftover pizza in the oven like sometime in the morning.
Okay, right. I put some mayonnaise in here. I blended it up a bit. I'm gonna add some more mayonnaise. And I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to this.
Oh, add a little
Oh, you're gonna add more green stuff.
vintage. It's a good herb.
It is a good herb, and this is a herby dressing. want to taste it. I just want to see if there's enough. Because you added lemon juice already.
Okay.
No, there's no lemon juice.
When it doesn't work out, I forgot something.
Yes, lemons are on your side.
Should I do the famous bursting?
Do the bursting. I'm
I
gonna have a glass of wine.
really like to squeeze the shit out of it. It's getting slippery now. She's wet.
Don't let go.
Yeah, I'm squeezing. Oh, it's so greasy and slippery. Greasy.
All right, you done? Final blend. Looks good. And there's your green goddess. So nice sauce.
Do you like the presentation?
Wow, where'd you do that?
When I went back there, I washed my hands.
That was
away.
pretty quick.
That's how it fucking works, man.
Did you try this?
I'm experienced.
Right, look how nice that looks. Look, that perfect consistency. Love all the herbs in there.
I think what did it was the lemons, though.
I think it's how you squeeze them.
It is.
It's a perfect dressing. So we need one more, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put this away. Mint. Let's do a little bit of mint on this. So we got a little bit of mint. Let's do a little bit of parsley on this.
There's a lot of little bits.
There's a lot of little bits. We need some salt.
You sure you don't want some?
I don't know what that would do to that. Do you want to add a jalapeno or do you want red pepper?
I want to do half of each.
Okay. Add them up. And we'll do a jalapeno.
That's not hot.
They're not hot, no. Well, the tip's never hot.
Just a dip.
Just the tip is never hot. You go the full thing,
And then it's
that's
hot.
hot. Alright. Now, I like to... Are you back to the pickle thing in the ear again?
Okay, the trick is you gotta put it in as it's flipping, okay?
Yeah, then I gotta
Go
clean up
in.
the kitchen.
See me catch that? That's good.
This is going to be a nice dip.
This is that.
So then we're gonna take a little bit of yogurt.
Mm-hmm. This is the unstrained.
Yeah, this is unstrained. I like
But-
this a little bit
But
thin.
all the water's at the bottom, so really, why do you need to strain it? What if you just
Make it
took
really thick. This is not anywhere near as thick. And I want a little bit of cream.
little bit of cream?
That's pretty good. Okay. I don't know where the big one is, so we mix it up with the little one.
Sides.
Are you showing everybody how good it looks when you do it?
Okay, this is how you mix shit. It's very difficult. Does everyone see what I'm doing right now?
You missed the spot.
Lola Break, you cut smoker.
See, that made you mix it
I
up.
know, and it made me
Get a
go.
little dance there. Throw some lime in there, right? I think lime would do really good in that.
You just like watching me squeeze these things.
I do.
Oh yeah. Look, I start off slow. Oh. Fuck, man. You're squirting everywhere. Like, look how nice I did mine. I got it in my eye, my ears. Fuck. Reminds me of a date I was on once. Yeah. I went on a date once where I actually thought I needed one of the, you know, you could get those glasses
Those
with
wipers.
the windshield wipers on it. It was like,
Alright, let's try it. Way better. Here's your spoon. No, what?
what? You told me to fucking put it.
I'm never inviting you to my dinner parties.
What? You're missing
Okay.
it.
This is a rye presentation of a dip. Okay. 3 dips or dressings, whatever you want to put it on.
Yep.
So we have our Tetziki, perfect for chicken and pork.
Mhm.
Right in the barbecue. Dip it. Remember, next day it will always taste more garlicky. It will come together and it'll be a little bit thicker. You alright?
Oh, it tastes so good.
Okay. We have our green goddess. Green goddess, you can add whatever you want. It needs to be herby, and we made it herby. We
Herby?
made it
So that-
herby.
Yes. So that's a takeoff of my word that I invented last week, which was cilantro-y.
Cilantro-y. Now
Now
we
it's
got,
herby.
or potty. Very potty.
Very potty.
Okay, that's another word for it. So I'll put that online for everybody so you can see. I'll put Tetziki recipe. And the last one, which Rye completely effed up.
No, I didn't. Fuck that. That takes a paper towel. I aerated
Effed up
it.
my presentation. And that is mint, cilantro,
Conglomeration.
garlic. We used whipping cream on it, so 35% cream, and 3 fantastic dips. So a success. Cheers, Rye. Okay, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. And
But I'm not hungover.
And we're doing sauces.
We're doing sauces. Yes, I won't fucking party like I did last night.
All right, good. Okay.
That's a one time, right?
That's never one time.
Well, okay, Tuesdays.
So we'll surprise you next week after we decide if Rye's partied or not.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.